How to stream on Kick with Streamlabs OBS. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you on how you could start streaming on Kick.com using two platforms, which are Streamlabs and OBS. Now, of course, to be able to use this two platform or this two streaming platform, you're going to have to download them into your computer. You can download Streamlabs by going to streamlabs.com, and for OBS, you can simply search OBS, and you can download it through obsproject.com. As you can see, simply select the corresponding system that you have. After installing one of this platform, of course, if you prefer to use OBS, you can download it over here. If you prefer to use Streamlabs, you can download it over here. But I'm going to be showing you how to stream on Kick on these two platforms. Now, I will be first teaching you on how you can stream it through Streamlabs. Now, this is the interface of Streamlabs. As you can see, this is what it would look like. You have your screen over here, mini feeds, scenes, sources, and mixer over here. The first thing you're going to have to set up is your sources. The sources is basically what it would be recording. So I'm going to click on the add new source over here, and you're simply going to choose from this option. You have your essential source and general source. You could choose from the essential source like video capture device or screen capture, which will of course capture your screen. There's also the general sources, as you can see here, like browser source, display source, and all this other option. You also have your game capture for the specific game. So simply click on add new source, screen capture, and add source, and select the screen one and click on done. But if you're streaming a game, of course, you're going to select it over here. It's going to appear in this section, or you could choose any of this capture window as well. So simply click on done, and there we go. As you can see, we now are seeing our screen over here. We now set up our Streamlabs, which is now ready to start recording. Now, we can connect it to our Kick.com by clicking on our settings over here on the bottom left, and in this section, you have the option to click on stream over here. Simply click on stream, and for this one, it will usually show this first, the streaming services, and you can choose the different services over here. But as you can notice, Kick.com is not part of these choices. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on this option, then click on custom streaming server. And now this is what we're going to work with. Now we're going to go back to our Kick.com over here. You're simply going to click on your profile over here on the top left. Click this, then click on Creator Dashboard. After that, we will be redirected to this page over here. This is our stream. This is where we can monitor our stream info, our stream preview, our activity feed, our mod actions, and our chat over here, as you can see on the right side. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to select settings over here. Click this, and you're going to click on stream key. Simply select this, and now you will be able to see this stream URL and stream key. These two information are very important. Never share this to anyone else because they will be able to stream on your Kick account without you knowing, because they have your stream URL and stream key. Now simply copy your stream URL, go back to Streamlabs, and paste it on the URL section of the section that you have. So simply paste it over here, Ctrl V, there we go. And do the same thing for the stream key. Copy that, go back here, and paste the stream key. And simply click on done. And now you are able to successfully connect your stream, your Kick.com, to the Streamlabs. So we're going to go back to our stream over here, and let's simply click on go live. And there we go, it's starting. So let's wait for it to set up. Then we could check out if it's actually connected. And go back here. Let's give it a few seconds to show up over here. It will usually show up after like 10 minutes, not 10 minutes, 10 seconds or 30 seconds. So you're going to have to wait for it. If it's not working, oh, there we go. It's now working. And now as you can see our stream over here. And we will be able to stop streaming when you go back to Streamlabs and click on Add Stream over here. And as you can see here also, you can check out the time live and like the session. It's now currently streaming, and you will be able to see your output over here as well. Now, if you're recording a game, of course, you're going to have to only have the sources as like the game. As you can see, you could choose the game capture or the screen capture in the game section. And that is how you will be able to stream on Streamlabs. To end it, you're simply going to click on End Stream, and you will be able to end the recording. Now, to be able to do this on OBS, it's basically the same process. You're going to have to open your OBS. There we go. And you're going to have to also set up your sources. Right now, for me, I have a lot of sources set up, but you have the choices which are similar to Streamlabs. You have your options to stream the browser, display capture, or game capture, or all of these other options over here, which can be very useful. After you set up your recorder, as you can see right now, we are recording our screen. Now you're going to connect it with your Kick.com as well with the same process. So simply click on settings over here, and it will show us our pop-up settings. Let's fix our settings for now. Let's size it up. There we go. And you're simply going to click on stream as well. Then you have the option to connect it to all of this option. And as you can notice, Kick.com is not part of it once again. So you're going to have to go with the custom version. Then you're simply going to paste your server and stream key over here, which would allow you to connect it to your Kick.com. And after that, simply click on start streaming. And let's go back to our Kick.com. Let's wait for it for a few seconds to start again. Let's see if we will be able to view it. And let's give it some time. And there we go. We are now able to stream using our OBS. So to be able to edit once again, you're simply going to open this, and you will be able to stop. And as you can see, we are now offline once again, but it's still counting, but it will automatically end eventually later on. But that is how you will be able to do it. Now I suggest that when you're streaming, before you start streaming, actually you go to settings, check out the different options that you can play around with the stream or the output over here, like the video bitrate, audio bitrate, your quality, your video, all of this information. You should play around with it so that you could make sure that your settings are stable and it won't make a mess when you're recording or when you're streaming, because sometimes the default settings can be super laggy for your computer, and if your computer can't handle it, of course the stream would be messed up. And you could do the same thing for Streamlabs. Let's go check out our Streamlabs over here. There's also settings option in Streamlabs. You can see, let's open this, wait for it to open. And you could also customize the settings and like different information that you could find here. Like go to click on settings, and you have your output over here. You have your video bitrate, your encoder, and other options. You have your stream, your multi-streaming. You are able to use this as well. You have your general. You have a lot of settings that you could play around with, and both platforms are great. OBS and Streamlabs are great, so you could choose any of this option depending on your preference on which one you would like to use to live stream on Kick.com. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.